Welcome to your channel. In this video, we will discuss about starting a healthy lifestyle involves making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet, exercise, and daily routines. Focus on eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains while staying hydrated and limiting processed foods. Incorporate regular physical activity that you enjoy, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Prioritize mental well-being by managing stress, getting adequate sleep, and setting realistic goals. Build a consistent routine, track your progress, and create a supportive environment at home. Regular medical checkups and preventive care are also essential for maintaining good health. Here are some tips to help you get started. Nutrition balanced diet. Aim for a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 cups daily, more if you're active. Limit processed foods, reduce intake of sugary drinks, snacks, and fast food. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Physical activity, regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. Find activities you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or yoga, choose exercises that you find fun and engaging. Stay active throughout the day. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine by taking the stairs, walking or biking to work, or doing short exercise breaks. Mental well-being, stress management. Practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to reduce stress. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic health goals to keep motivated and avoid burnout. Social support. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage your healthy life. Habits and routines. Consistency is key. Develop a consistent routine that includes healthy eating, regular physical activity, and time for relaxation. Gradual changes. Implement changes gradually to avoid feeling overwhelmed and to create sustainable habits. Track your progress. Use a journal, app, or planner to track your meals, exercise, and overall progress. Avoid perfectionism. Understand that slip-ups are part of the process. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Healthy environment, healthy home. Keep your living space clean and free of unhealthy temptations. Prepare meals. Cook more meals at home where you can control ingredients and portions. Educate yourself. Learn about nutrition, fitness, and wellness to make informed decisions. Regular checkups, medical checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your health. Preventive care. Stay up to date with vaccinations, screenings, and other preventive measures. Starting a healthy lifestyle is about making sustainable changes that you can maintain long-term. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.